guys, yeah, welcome back to the channel. Like, leave a comment, subscribe where you're watching from. Okay, yeah. Today I saw cook some curry chicken, no joke. Look at it. Yeah, we got some ton cornmeal right there. So. Yeah, man. Look at that. Beautiful. Let's take a smell. Yummy. Yeah, man, ton cornmeal in coconut milk. Beautiful. Can you see it? Yeah. Seasoned to the bone with some red peas. Yeah, man. Look at it. Curry chicken now. Bubbling. No joke, guys. Yeah, man. Can you smell that? Yeah. Yes, guys. Yeah, man. Curry chicken up on the fire, man. Blaze up. Yeah, man. That's how we do it more time, you know, guys? Yeah. Let's go and tune into the channel at all times. That's epic cooking. No joke. Yeah, man. The hard man thing. Yeah, me there and I know it tree again. Yeah. So we have some noni on the tree. We're not ready yet still. Famous noni tree, no? Check out the video, man. Tell a lot about noni. Yeah, look how I go in the impact. Yeah, guys. Yeah, man, that's so ready, you know, guys. Simmer down. Famous mash it over there, sir. Yeah. Young people, subscribe to the channel and follow the channel at all times, okay? Right, coming up, people. What do you think about this kind of cooking, guys? Yeah, man, real original curry chicken, this. Simmer down. Yeah, fire blaze. You see, I have all pumpkin in the background over there, sir. Yeah, right beside the plantain tree there. Lots of pumpkin coming up. You guys, about after 5 now, we started to get. So the quality of the video not going to show so good. Yeah. Get a little stir now, guys. Yeah, get a little stir now. Alright. Yeah. Almost ready, guys. Got that. Curry chicken. Yeah, follow the channel now, guys. Pop, pop. Pop, pop. Pop, 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 pasture. Yeah, guys, check out all the video them in the channel now, guys. Yeah, like up the video them, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend for tell a friend. Yeah, Yardman TV. What time is it? Time to eat now. Almost ready, guys. Got the fire. Yeah, we should go up the fire somewhere. Alright, guys. Fire blaze up now. Yes, guys. Fire kinda died down now, guys. You see the fire kinda go down, so to move a little bit slow. But it's getting there, it's getting there. Yummy. Yeah, tell a friend for tell a friend, guys. Leave a comment where you're watching from. Also subscribe to the channel and check out the description in the channel description. Okay. Also check out the video description. Yeah, push it up, look more. Push it up, look more. On me. Hot. Yeah, I'm gonna take it off now. Joke, guys. Take it off now. Look at that. Look at it cook now, guys. Take it off now. Look at that. Yeah, fully cooked, guys. See, fully cooked. Fully cooked. All the Irish them gone. Yeah, this is the sauce, yeah. Yeah, this is the sauce, guys. We need all of this sauce, you know. Turn cornmeal need a lot of sauce. Yeah, turn cornmeal need a lot of sauce, yeah. Yeah, once you go and feed turn cornmeal. Turn cornmeal actually cool out. Yeah, look at that. Yeah, guys, turn cornmeal up. Ready. Turn cornmeal settings. Come on, turn cornmeal and curry chicken now, guys. Look at that. Fully turn cornmeal, guys. Yeah, rich in coconut milk, guys. Yeah. If you don't know turn cornmeal, check Google. Yeah. It's rich. You have some red peas in there too, you know. Yeah, a lot of season. Onion, scallion, thyme, garlic. Yeah, can you smell that? Yummy. Yeah, man. Check back on the curry chicken. Check out the fork. Lot of bok choy. Yes, guys, turn cornmeal. Chicken ready now, guys. Ready, my family. Ready, my families. Ready, look at it now. No, you want to see it now. Slowly go. All the Irish, them mushed out. Yeah, I have a little feast. Turn cornmeal, curry chicken. Yeah. Yeah, comment if you want to see when I eat it. Let me know if you want to see me when me eating it. If you want to see me eating it. Yeah, look at that. Rich. Rich, guys, rich. Okay, subscribe to the channel now. Yeah, fully cooked. See that, guys? Fully cooked. Yeah, so you cook chicken, yeah, okay, guys? It have to stay like this. When you take it up, it's moving apart. It's fully cooked. All the bone you can chop, guys. With all of this fire. See the pot is thick. Thick pot. Full of heat. Yeah. See, you know you got nice. All of it was flaming. All inside the pot flame did there now, guys. Ready now, ready. Ready, guys, ready. What time is this? Ready. Time to eat now. Okay, I'm out. Tell a friend for tell a friend.